YouTube channel again. So in this video, we will guide you on how to obtain your C Spire account number and PIN as well as transfer PIN to another device. Understanding this essential detail is crucial for managing your C Spire account effectively. So follow a step-by-step instruction to easily retrieve your account number and PIN and smoothly transfer your PIN to another device. So let's start. To get your account number, first we have to check email for any bill or invoice you have received from the company. Then access your online account where your account number may be readable available. So to access your bill on a C Spire, follow this simple step. Log into your C Spire account with this link we will provide you in our description box. So first open your link. Then once you have to open your link, this link, so you have to follow this step. First navigate to the billing section, then review your download to view your account number. Then alternatively you can also call their company at this number 1855 277 4735 to request your account number from a representative. Then get your wireless PIN. So your PIN is the last four digit of a social security number. If not, it defaults to 0000. So for ID security, reach out to customer service for assistance in retrieving your PIN. So now, how to get your C Spire transfer PIN? So first, to get your transfer PIN, you need to contact C Spire customer service executive. Then dial this number for the 855 277 4735 or 855 277 4735. So inform the representative that you need to assistance with your transfer PIN, provided any necessary account verification details as required or requested. So once connected with the representative, you have to request your transfer PIN. The representative will guide you through the process and ensure secure access to your transfer PIN. So these are some simple steps you have to do when you try to get your account number and a PIN as well as transfer PIN. So thank you for watching the video. I hope you like it and we will catch you in the next video.